Duplicates are a pain for any given data analysis or any given report or a tracker, and sometimes we want to remove them. First of all, how do we spot that we have duplicates in Excel? So there's an easy way to do it. You can, of course, scroll and try to find them out with your eyes, but that would be painful. The smarter way to do it is use the conditional formatting. I'm going to highlight the column, go with the conditional formatting, and now highlight duplicate values. We've read, and now we can see that all of those values happened at least more than once. Here we have a unique value, and this is how you spot the duplicates. Now, okay, we know that we have duplicates in this list. What can we do with that? One way to do it is to do it with a simple Excel functionality that is called simply removing duplicates. Let's copy everything, put it in a new sheet. You can remove the formatting here and actually make it a normal values like this. So again, we have this long list of 9,000 items exactly like here. And now how would I remove duplicates? I select the whole column, I go to data, remove duplicates, this is the option, and I simply do it. If I would have more than one column, so that the duplicates are actually in more than one column, then you can do that. If you have only one column, you of course do something like this. You click OK, and then you know, okay, this many duplicate values been found and removed, this many values remain. That's super nice. But now, despite the fact that I have 1,800 values here, what if I'll add a new value? You see, I have an XXX. What if I go with Y? That will be a problem. Why? Because I don't have this value here again. What can I do to have this value again as a unique value? Because now I would have to go again with copying it and so on. So what can you do if you have it as a table? That will be easier, of course, but you can also do it with a simple range. So what can you do is simply do a pivot table. So go to Insert, we go Pivot Table, and let's do it in a new worksheet. And now if I go here and put Product ID, you can see that we have only those 1,000. We have our Y, and what will happen if I'll add here another record? I go to my pivot table, I right click it, and then I can simply refresh and the new value gets added. So that's an awesome way to do it. And normally this is the way that we have used till very recently, how we dealt with the duplicates automatically. But there's a new way to do it. So let's go here. We have our list of products, and now I want to have a unique list. So I want to remove the duplicates. And here the word unique is the keyword. So if I go equal and type unique, you will see I have a formula. Now this works in Microsoft 365. And the previous versions, it might not be there. This is a new formula that they've added quite recently. And this will return the unique value of the whole range or array. So I'm going to hit Tab. I'm going to select the whole column, close the parentheses here. You can see that I'm selecting the whole product ID column from the table 13. That's the table in the column B. Hit Enter. And now you can see that I have this column where this formula gets propagated into following rows. And if I go down, I actually have it working. So let's see what will happen if I'll add yet another value here. Go up there. Yeah, it added this. So you see, that's how you can also deal with duplicates. So let's summarize. You have three options. One option is to use the data, remove duplicates. The other option is to use the pivot table. And finally, the third option is to use the new formula unique. That will help you to maintain a unique list quite dynamically. Thank you. Do let me know if you liked this video. Please do comment, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what other function formula of Excel you would like me to cover in the next video. See you then. Bye.